Hey people, thank you so much. Welcome back. In today's session, we'll be discussing about what is the VOC, VOV or VOP. Many of you people, you already know that VOC stand for voice of customer, which means what your customer is asking for. VOV is the voice of business, which means why this business exists, what you are trying to get out of this business. And VOP stand for voice of process, which means how the process, how you are converting your output and his output is meeting all the metrics or not. So we'll start with an example to understand all these things in a better way. Let's say today your head of business come to you and tells, okay, Mr. Black Belt or Miss Black Belt, my organization label employee satisfaction score is too low. So when somebody is speaking about employee satisfaction score is too low, they are talking about the voice of business, which means business running to gain the profit or the margin or maybe to serve the customer, but employee satisfaction is low, your overall business, which may have an impact. Now, you being a black belt, you will figure it out or convert this into the statistical problem, and then you will come to know that what exactly my customer is talking about or what my process is talking about the employee satisfaction. So let's convert this into the voice of process. Maybe you start collecting the data for the voice of business that employee satisfaction is low, and you find it out. First, you will look for the operational definition of employee satisfaction, which means well-being of employees within organization is the operational definition. What is your average score, ESAT score? Suppose you will say my average score is 3.25. What is the minimum target? Let's say 5 is the minimum target. So how much is the gap? Gap will be 5 minus 3.25. So what is the percentage improvement you have to do in this process? So you have to do the improvement approximately 3.25 if you are going to make 5, which means around 53.8% improvement you have to do in the process. This will become your voice of process, that employee satisfaction is an issue which is in the business, but when you convert this practical problem into the statistical problem, that is called your voice of process. Now you will try and identify why my voice of process is low or my voice of business is low. Like as target is always higher is better in terms of employee satisfaction. And here the value is coming 3.25 where the minimum target is 5. So then 53% gap is coming. Why this is low? So there may be some reason. Customer is telling I am not happy because of compensation. Customer is telling I am not happy because of the engagement. Customer may tell I am not happy because of the learning and development. I am not happy because of the the facilities organization providing and many more. So all these things becomes your voice of customer. So as a black belt, I know you cannot fix each and everything, but whatever is easy to control and has the highest impact as per the control impact matrix, you will prioritize those first and you will work upon. That's what the difference in the voice of customer, voice of business, and the voice of process. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next session.